Good morning, friends. Welcome to SRVPS Virtual Classrooms. I am Archana Jha, your teacher to teach you English. We have already covered nouns and then pronouns. Now, today we are going to learn about some common errors in pronoun, right? So, we'll practice with some exercises. Let's take these four sentences. Everyone was there except he. Now here we have used subjective case, but with except we are supposed to use objective case. Right? Now next, my brother looks like I. Here again we have used subjective case, but we are supposed to use objective case. Let's take one more sentence. It is me who go to college daily. Now here what has happened that it always introduces subjective case, but we have used objective case here. Next sentence, it is him who is guilty. So same way here again we have used objective case, but subjective case is to be used. Let's have a look on the correct sentence. Everyone was there except him. My brother looks like me. It is I who go to college daily, and it is he who is guilty. Okay. Now let's go for the next slide. Now here again we have few sentences. You can read them. I am reading it. These are: she is as fast as me. My village is better than your village. I know you as much as him. The poet and writer did their work. Now let's take one by one. First sentence. She is as fast as me. Now the comparison is done. So they should be in same case. She is compared with me. So she is subjective case. Here also it is supposed to use subjective case. That will be I. Then my village is better than your village. Repetition of village. So pronoun should be used. Now here the proper possessive form to be used will be yours. Right? That will be proper pronoun. Now next one is I know you as much as him. Same way it is subjective case. So he will be used. The poet and writer did their work. Pay attention here. We have a different kind of error here. The poet and writer is somewhere referring to one person. So here instead of using their, we are to use his. If it is written like this, the poet and the writer did their work, then it would have been correct. Then actually the poet and the writer indicate two persons, one poet and one writer. When we don't have the with the other next second profession, then it indicates singular subject, singular person there. All right answers together. So this is the right way to write them. Now correct sentences. She is as fast as I. My village is better than yours. I know you as much as he, because this complete sense is as much as he knows, but we don't write knows there. The poet and writer did his work, and you know that if the is used with writer, then it will be there only. So we are correcting pronouns, so we will be correcting our pronoun part here. Now next sentence. Let's have some more sentences. One should do his duty honestly. Now here just see, one is the subject, so the pronoun used for it should be in the same form. So it should be possessive form of one only, and that is one apostrophe s. Correct? Now next sentence. It is the girl obeys his father. Again we have here feminine gender, and the pronoun used here is masculine one. So what we will do, this is again her should be used. Let's have the next one. Same kind of problem you can see here. The boy likes her mother. So what will be the right answer? Yes, you are right. It will be instead of her, it should be his. Okay. Then neither Rahul nor Neha has finished their homework. What's the mistake? I hope you have understood. Now here neither Rahul nor Neha, so that's why we have used singular verb. That is correct, because these distributive pronoun, they make it singular, right? So we treat them as singular subject. So has is correct answer. Now here this one is wrong. So because Neha is being written here, so it will be her homework. So this is the right form. And let's have the right correct answer for the first sentence is once, second sentence her, third one this, and here also. So you can note down these sentences now. Okay, let's go for the next. So first sentence is each of the boys was doing their homework. I know you have understood now. And this is again another example of distributive pronoun. So with each we are going to use his only, their word will be not used. Okay. And now next sentence, the poet and writer did his work on time. I hope you remember this. We have just finished that they indicate the one person only, and that's why they should be taken as a singular subject. So now I'm sure that you all have learned about the common errors which and you will avoid them, so that your language will be correct, right? So use them correctly in your language. We have shared some exercises in your Dropbox. Do that homework for better practice. Have nice time. Thank you.